Hello viewers, راځئ چې زده کړو د English important sentences with Pashto translation. Viewers ویډیو کمپلیټ وګورئ او چینل سبسکرایب کړئ. Sentence دی The entire world knows him. Entire world means ټوله نړۍ, ټوله دنیا. ټوله دنیا هغه پېژني. بل سنټنس دی Where are you going? Where چرته تاسو چرته روان یې. Where are you going? Sentence دی Where are you going today? Where are you going today? نن ته چرته ځې. Where are you going today? بل سنټنس دی Where are you going now? Now مطلب وس چرته ځې. Where are you going now? They need some food. They need some food. یو څه خواړه ته اړتیا لري. خوراک ته ضرورت لري. سنټنس دی They are very happy. Happy معنی ده خوشحاله. Very ډېر. دوی ډېر خوشحاله دي. They are very happy. بل سنټنس دی Don't go to abroad. Abroad means بهر ملک. بهر ته مزه. بهر ملک ته مزه. سنټنس دی We are going to city. We are going to city. مونږه ښار ته ځو. City ښار. Are you feeling well? Feeling احساس. Well ښه. آیا تاسو ښه احساس کوئ؟ Are you feeling well? No, I am feeling bad. Bad خراب بد. نه زه بد احساس کوم. خراب احساس کوم. No, I am feeling bad. Are you happy today? Today نن. Happy خوشحاله. Are you happy today? تاسو نن خوشحاله یې.